As you know, the first stage of Mega Science Experiment started on 12th November 2021. Thank you very much for your overwhelming participation to this Mega Science Experiment. यद्यपि आप में से कई लोगों ने इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के बारे में जानकारी हमारे साथ साझा की, किंतु आप में से कुछ लोगों को कुछ कठिनाई आई और उन्होंने हमसे संपर्क किया। इसलिए आपकी सुविधा के लिए एक वीडियो हम साझा करेंगे जिसमें आपको वीवीएम का मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन और वीवीएम की वेबसाइट उस पर कैसे लॉगिन करना है और इस महाप्रयोग के बारे में जो जानकारी साझा करनी है उस जानकारी को कैसे जमा करना है, इन सब की संक्षेप में जानकारी दी जाएगी। I am delighted to share a good news to all of you who are participating in the Mega Science Experiment. All the participating students will get a gift from the organizers of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. This is a very interesting ebook entitled Scientist Greater Than Einstein, and I'm sure you will enjoy reading this book. इस वर्ष का जो विज्ञान महाप्रयोग है वो कहीं अधिक रोचक, सरल और एक नई दृष्टि देने वाला है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि भाग लेने वाले सभी छात्र अवलोकन कौशल्य, विश्लेषणात्मक सोच और वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण को विकसित करेंगे। Those students who are joining little late with us in this experiment, you can submit details of food items you ate during your breakfast and dinner right away also. यदि आपने एक से अधिक आइटम्स अपने खाने में खाए हैं तो आप अल्प विराम के साथ इनका उल्लेख करेंगे और इस विवरण को हमारी वेबसाइट पे सबमिट करेंगे। The next stage of this Mega Science Experiment will be starting in the subsequent week, in which we will try to understand relationship between our food habits, lifestyle, with that of our physical health and mental wellness. पूरे प्रयोग की अवधारणा इस तरीके से की गई है कि भाग लेने वाले सभी छात्र कई अवलोकन करेंगे, अपने भोजन की आदतों और जीवन शैली का विश्लेषण करेंगे और कुछ प्रारंभिक मापन और गणना करेंगे। More information of the subsequent stages of this Mega Science Experiment will be shared on our website vvm.org.in. Once again, thank you very much for being part of this historic Mega Science Experiment. मुझे आशा है कि आपको आपका उपहार जो एक ईबुक है साइंटिस्ट ग्रेटर देन आइंस्टाइन पसंद आएगा। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Today I'm going to show you how to enter your details for the Eat Right Mega Science Experiment, which is organized by Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. So this entire experiment is going to be covered in 3 phases, out of which the first phase is live right now. Okay, so now if you want to participate in the first phase and you are a registered and activated student for Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, you have to log in to your dashboard. The mega experiment will work only on the browser version and not on the mobile. Okay, so you have to log in the web browser using your credentials. Now when you log in, this is the screen you can see. Now the first option is the dashboard. In the dashboard it is written over here Eat Right Mega Experiment, and there is a button says click here to submit. So I'll go ahead and click on button. Now this is the form that opens up. Now there are some details which are required for stage 1. Okay, so one is your home address, other is your pin code, next is your height, your weight, and the details of food items written on each day. Okay, so the day 1, since the experiment started on 12th, so your first entry is of 12th, then 13th, 14th, 15th, and since today is 16th, so the last entry is of 16th. On each day, you have to enter two details. One is your breakfast and other is your dinner. And don't worry if you have not filled the previous day and just today is the first day you are going to enter the details, because we have activated other days too, the previous days which you have missed. So you can also enter details on those. So now let's go ahead and fill in the form. So the first thing you have to fill is your address. So I'll fill in my address. Now next is my PIN code. Now I have to fill in my height. So height you have to enter in centimeters. And if the height you are coming is 150.62 or 150.24, so you can round it off. Okay, so here I'll enter 1.50 centimeter, that 150 centimeter. My weight in kgs. Now I have to fill in the details. Okay, so the day one, I'll fill in my food details, comma separated. So say suppose I had bread and jam. So I'll write here bread, jam and a glass of milk. On the dinner, I had roti and I had potato and some rice. Same way, you have to enter details for all the subsequent days. Now on the day 2, I'll write had bread, I had a sauce. Day 2 dinner, I had a roti and I had cabbage. Same way I'll fill in for day 3. So day 3 I had roti in the breakfast with milk, and on dinner I had only rice. So I'll fill in the details for day 4 as well. Okay, so now I've filled in all my details. All the fields which are marked with star are compulsory. So the rule here while filling any meal is you can write any number of items. The only rule to follow here is that you can use commas to separate the items. Now I ensured all my fields are completed. Now there is one question asked over here. Do you wish to provide additional data on your food thali that your family eats? If yes, we will contact you later. You can say no, this will not affect your form submission or any result calculation later on. But if you say yes, our team will contact you later on. So that is after the third stage if they need any more details. So this is an opt-in option. Okay, you can say no, absolutely no problem. But yes, if you want to participate further, even after the stage 3, you can say yes. Now after doing this, I have to submit my food details. So here it will give you a summary of all the fields you are submitted. Okay, so you just verify it once, because once you are ahead of this step, you cannot edit your options. Okay, so you confirm once. If you say no, day 3 I didn't had just rice, I also had some vegetable. Okay, so I can cancel it from here. I'll go to day 3. With rice I had dal. Okay, so I can edit this way, but this is only before the submission. Alright, so I'll go submit food details. Day 3, now it is rice and dal. Yes, these are all the correct details. Now I will press submit. So now all my details are submitted successfully.